string compare function. This function is used to compare two strings, and it returns a value 0 when the strings are equal. The string function does not discriminate between the lowercase or uppercase letters. The general syntax is strcmp, within brackets you have string 1 comma string 2. So based on the characters present in the strings, the value is returned as 0 if the strings are equal. It returns a value 1 if the string 1 is greater than string 2, and it returns a negative value if the string 1 is less than string 2. We look at an example to compare two strings using the string function. So initially the header files are declared as stdio.h, conio.h and string.h. Next we have the main function, and we declare two character arrays as str1 and str2, and their size is 100, and we declare one more variable as result, which is of integer data type. And then we get the first string using the gets command, gets within bracket string 1. Similarly we get the second string using gets of str2. Now we compare both the strings using the string compare function, as result is equal to string compare of str1 comma str2. Based on the comparison, if the result is equal to 0, it means the strings are equal. Else, if result is greater than 0, it means string 1 is greater than string 2, or else string 2 is greater than string 1. So based on the comparison, we will be able to identify whether the strings are equal or not equal. String reverse function. This function is used to reverse the character of a given string, and the syntax is strrev, within bracket you give the string. So here we will see an example how to reverse a string using the string function. So initially the header files stdio.h, conio.h and string.h are initialized, and then we have the main function. So we declare a character array as str of 30, and we get the input using scanf statement as %s, the format specifier, and the string as str. Next we use the string reverse command to reverse the given string as strrev, within bracket the given string str. So the output would be printed as the reverse string is followed by str. So when you execute this program, the input is given as enter the string as program. The reverse string would be margorp. So the reversed characters of program would be printed when we use the string reverse function. Next, strupr is nothing but a string upper function. So this function is used to convert a string to uppercase. So the syntax is strupr, within brackets you have the string. So when you write it as a program, so we have the initialization of header files as stdio.h and string.h. Then comes your main, and then we have the character array declared as str of size 25. So we get the input using gets command as gets of str. Then we convert the given string to uppercase using the strupr command, as upper string is strupr, within brackets the given string str is given. So when we run the program, if the input is given as hello, it is converted to an uppercase as hello in capital letters. Similar to the string upper function, we have string lower function. So this function is used to convert a given string to a lowercase. The syntax is strlwr, within brackets you give the string. So when we write it as a program, so we have the initialization of header files stdio.h and string.h, and then we have the main program. Then we have the declaration of character array str of size 25. Then we get the input using the gets command as gets within bracket the string str, and we print it as str lwr within bracket str, so which is going to return the string in a lowercase. So when we execute this program, the input is given as HELLO in capital letters. We have the string converted to a lowercase as HELLO in small letters.